In this video, I will be showing you how to create your very own PayPal account. First, you have to go to paypal.com and then you click on sign up now. Here, they will ask you to choose between a personal account and a business account. I recommend you go for a business account. It's also free and it has more features than a personal account, which makes it perfect for you to use for your own business. Now just click next to proceed. Now they'll be asking you're looking to accept payments for which of the following options. As an example, we will use on my website, and next they'll ask you what's your estimated monthly sales volume. If you are not sure yet, just click I'm not sure or none of the above and then click next. Now enter your best email address that you use for your business and click continue. Then enter your password and make sure it has at least 8 characters and has one number or symbol in it, and then click continue. Now you fill in your business details, put in your name, your business name, your business phone number, business address, what currency do you use, and then tick the box and then click agree and continue. For business type, they will ask you what kind of business it is. So if you run your own business, then you click individual or sole proprietorship. Next, they will ask you to give a keyword for your product or services. So you can pick one or you can pick more than one. Then, if you have a website, you can put it in. No means you can just go on ahead and click continue. Now just fill in your personal details, nationality, identity document, your address can also be your business address, and then just click submit. Now that your PayPal business account has been created, you want to focus on setting up the online payment methods such as your bank details, your debit card or your credit card. To do that, just click set up online payments. Now they will ask you to confirm your email to activate your account. To do this, just go to the email address you used to register and then confirm it, and then you can just click next. Now you want to click log out on your PayPal account and then just log in back. Once you have logged in, just click go to setup, and then you want to click the wheel icon on the right hand corner and click account settings. Okay, now we are in the account settings. What we want to do is go to money, banks and cards. First, we will link a bank account. So to do that, just click link a new bank account. Here, you want to fill in your bank details, your bank name, any routing code that your bank has, and your account number. And you can choose to do it for your business or personal account. Then after that, you just click link your bank. Now I'll show you how to add in your credit or debit card. I recommend you use a credit card. So just go to cards and click link a new card. So it's the same thing, just fill in your details, your card number, card type, the expiration date, security code, and the billing address. And then just click link card. And you're all good to go. Once you've linked your bank and credit card, you will see something like this.